In the previous video, we have discussed about the understanding of the levels of autism. In this video, we will tell you about the level 1 of autism. Level 1. Requiring support. Level 1 ASD is the mildest or the most high-functioning form of autism. Children with level 1 ASD have a hard time communicating appropriately with others. For example, they may not say the right thing at the right time or be able to read social cues and body language. They may find it difficult to initiate conversations with others, respond as others would expect, maintain interest in the conversation. One of the most effective ways to treat level 1 autism is through utilizing the theory of mind. Theory of mind and adaptive skills-based treatment that targets executive function, emotional regulation, cognitive flexibility, social communication skills, and anxiety reduction. These are all critical aspects in the field of level 1 treatment, particularly in specialized treatment programs such as Vantage Point, Black Mountain Academy, and Daniels Academy. Enrolling a teen in specialized programs that both understand and execute theory of mind can help these individuals with ASD become more aware of other perspectives in addition to learning social skills and adaptability. Each individual with autism is unique. The level of disability and combination of symptoms can vary dramatically on the autism spectrum, which makes it essential for every child and teen with ASD to get a proper diagnosis and the treatment they need. For teens with level 1 autism, a credible wilderness work through their executive function deficits through individualized care and research-based model to facilitate lifelong growth and lasting change. However, people who qualify as having level 1 ASD only require minimal support to function in their daily lives. They can communicate verbally and may be able to establish relationships. This doesn't mean that people with level 1 ASD don't struggle at all. They may have difficulty in maintaining a conversation. It may be difficult for them to make and keep friends naturally. Without any support in place, social communication deficits can cause noticeable impairments. They struggle with initiating social interactions. Their flexible behaviors also cause problems and they get upset when their routine are disrupted. A person with autism at level 1 may speak in full sentences. However, they may have difficulty in engaging in and maintaining conversations. In the next video, we will talk about level 2 of autism. Stay tuned.